Buenos dias and welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Today is the official day where the floors get removed and the new floors get installed, which I'm so excited about. It actually got delayed about a week and a half, which ended up working out for us because we've had so much stuff to declutter and organize and just move around. The guys that are coming to do the floors did tell us, like, do not worry about moving anything. We have 5 guys coming, they're gonna help move things around and we're gonna work around it, but we tried to declutter as much as we could so that it could be a more seamless and faster and easier job for them. So I'll show you guys right now, but the front living room, there's absolutely nothing in there. The dining obviously is just the table and the chairs, which will be easy to move. The living room has our old sofa, not old, but the sofa that was here, and this living room is over here because we needed a space to sit and relax because we actually sold our couch about almost like 2 weeks ago, like a week and a half ago. We sold it, and so we have been couchless, and we were thinking of just riding it out until it was done. But you guys, you don't realize how much you use a space until you can no longer use it. Like, I was like, oh my God, I miss my couch so much. Like, I just miss laying there and relaxing at the end of the day. So Dennis was like, you know what, I'm moving that couch into that space. So that's what we ended up doing. So today they're coming at, I think, 8-ish. So it is 7 something in the morning. So we got up early. I am trying to figure out how I can still get my work done while they are here because I do have to film some stuff. We'll talk to them once we get here, but I think it's cafecito time. I need a coffee because I still feel like I am half asleep. But let me show you guys what the house is looking like. So it is obviously a bit of a mess because things are kind of everywhere, but at the same time, it's very empty. This room is completely empty, which now it being empty kind of inspired me to think of something else to do in this space. But as of right now, there's just this left. This ended up falling. There was an earthquake. I don't know if it happened during the earthquake or it happened before, but it ended up falling. So Dennis needs to fix that. We just ended up leaving like that because we're gonna take them off anyway because they're painting the whole house. So we're just gonna end up removing these last couple of pieces, but this will be the last time you guys see these gray floors. And then over here on this side, this is getting returned to Amazon, and then obviously the table would just get pushed back. I don't know how they're planning on doing it. They told us that they would let us know when they got here. Just like a little bit of a mess. And then this is the room that's like a little bit chaotic. This is pretty much gone, empty. This will get moved. And then over here is the couch with the cushions. So we're pretty much just waiting for them to kind of come and tell us how they plan on doing the whole thing. So I'm thinking we're gonna end up taking all of this out, going back over there. And then once they're done working on this space, everything gets moved back into this space. Oh shoot, this is gonna stay like that until we get, 'cause this is tile. So we need to go find, when are we gonna go do that? Oh, we can go today. Oh, we're waiting on me. I'm saying, when are they gonna put it in?
Oh no, we're just waiting for us to find it so we can schedule it. That and this, but he wants us to get both things ready.
Oh, I didn't even know that. We could have done that already. Okay, so today we'll probably go and look for the tile to match the floors, and yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. We will be saying goodbye to this, to these floors, to this layout, to this couch, because obviously that's not going to be the couch. That's going to be in this room. To the frames, I never had pictures. I was laughing with Dennis. I'm like, I cannot believe that we had these frames up there. Babe, what is that? Is that the fire alarm? That we had these frames up here for literally like 5 years without any pictures. And the fact that it never bothered me. That's insanity to me. But yeah, anyway, here it is. A little overall look of our space. The house literally feels like we're about to move out of it. But we've completely emptied out this room already. There's so much echo. I want to give you guys like a little overview. And that table, I don't know if I told you guys, but that table is going to end up outside. It's going to be our outdoor table. The chairs I'm going to give to my mom. And I would have given her the table as well, but it's too big for her space. So she's just going to take the chairs. And yeah, this is the before. I'm sure it's going to be chaotic as soon as I get here. This is obviously tile, so this isn't going to get removed until we find the tile for the kitchen. We have everything like here. The house just feels, actually doesn't feel as crazy as I thought it was going to feel because we've decluttered so much and gotten rid of so much. So I still have my lights up because I actually have to film, so I'm hoping they don't need that space. All right, you guys, it is happening. Well, the floor is gone here. Look at that. Just a little Chipotle aluminum. And they're trailing this way. So they are starting here. They're gonna move their way into the rooms. Once they're done with this, if you ever wonder how they remove them, that's how they remove them. Here is the update. They took out all the floor in the main space of the house and the hallway. They did that fast.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
They're quick.
And then this is gonna be next.
Yeah.
That's why I started moving things around. I'm gonna unplug the TV and all the other things now.
It's not the Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi.
That's gonna have to stay. Just the TV can go. But yeah. This is gonna go in here, I'm assuming. I need to show you guys this. We just moved the coffee table and look at all the toys that the boy and my sandals. What the hell is my sandal doing here? All the toys that the boys had under the table.
There's the other sandal.
Look at my sandal right here. Oh my goodness. Making a quick little lunch. I'm gonna make huevos a la mexicana with frijoles. Dennis made some beans yesterday and they're so bomb. So sorry about the banging, but they're in the living room. But yeah, just doing a quick lunch just because I want to continue cleaning and organizing. I finished my videos, which I am excited about because that's what was stressing me out. So I finished both my videos that I need to turn in. It's done, so now I can focus on the house and just get all the home stuff. Clear out some more things. We're gonna be taking some stuff over to my mom's house, so it's just been busy on this side, but really good things, and I'm excited. Fan is on. Morning! Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. It is day 2 of my house being turned upside down, but good things happening. They just got here with all of the flooring, so today's install day for mainly the whole house. My studio's being left for last. I asked if they can leave that for last so that I can take everything out and then slowly reorganize the space once this space is like back in its place, I guess. Oh my gosh, what is going on? But I did see a little peek of the floor, and being the overthinker, overanalyzer, can never make a decision kind of person, I slightly started panicking. I was like, oh my god, did I pick the right color? This was probably the hardest thing I've ever done, just because it's such a big project. I mean, it goes into the whole house. You guys, I'm terrified. I'm so scared that I didn't pick the right color, even though the color that we picked I loved, but Dennis isn't here because he went to go pick up some other material that they needed. So I called him. I'm like, my palms are sweating. If you guys have ever done a home project like this, please let me know if you guys have ever felt this way, because I literally feel like I don't even want to look. I'm like, can I just leave my house and just come back when this is done? Because like when they were doing the bathroom, I would not look at all because I just need the final result. And now I'm slowly over here just, you know, panicking, but all good things, all good things. I know it's gonna look good. It's just, it's such a big change that it's a little scary for me. But anyway, good morning. There's noises everywhere. I think our neighbors are probably doing, or is that might be us. Do you guys hear that? Close the window, but there's noises everywhere. Dennis did take the boys with him because they were in the backyard. And as soon as they see the guys, they just like start barking. So he took the boys with him. I had some work to do. That's why I didn't run with him, but he should be back in a few minutes. But I did have just like almost had a little panic attack because I was working on my computer and then I looked over to the living room and they started already and I was like, oh my god. But I'm excited to share with you guys. It's obviously something we've been wanting to do for like maybe like a year or two. Anyway, good morning. It's gonna be another day of decluttering, moving. Yesterday, I don't know if I told you guys, but I think I did. We took a whole U-Haul of stuff to my mom. So next is my studio. I've already decluttered a lot of it. This is the state of the house. Let me just show you guys how. I don't know if I showed you guys last night, how insanely chaotic it is. Our room is going to be the last one to be done, so nothing's been touched in there, but situation right now, like look at this, glorious. And then obviously they have to take all this off. This is going to get changed too, but this will be last because it is tile. So this is a different workers that do the tile work, and then also everything's gonna get painted on Sunday. This has been my little workstation this whole time, and honestly I'm loving it. Also, we moved to the mirror. I don't know if I showed you guys this yesterday, and I told Dennis, I'm like, I'm actually kind of liking this, cooking and having a mirror right there. Just kidding, that would not work, but we had to put it there for now. But yeah, this is my little workstation. Rugs are rolled up. I'm trying to figure out what this rug is because it's so tiny. What did this? Oh, this is. I'm like, where is this from? It's from Dennis's office. Okay, anyway, this is where I will be because I have some computer work that I need to do. Just called me. I just noticed my lamp from the living room is available at Target. It was sold out for a while, so I'm going to post it for you guys so that you guys can grab it because it's such a cute lamp. Link it here if it's not sold out already. Dennis is back. And I am no longer panicking. I don't know if I updated you guys. I think I did. I think I told you guys that. I came out of the bathroom and I saw it with fresh eyes, and then I was like, okay, this looks like what I envisioned. But talking to the interior designer about our new project that we want to do in the house. So in the midst of moving all of this,
why is it that we haven't finished a project and she's already starting another project? It doesn't make sense to me.
Stay tuned because there's gonna be a lot of projects in the house. I feel like Dennis and I are the kind of people that we stall, but once we get the ball rolling, it's just like we're going 0 to 100. You guys remember I had the little living room in the entrance, and then we had our dining table on this side, or you can't see it, but the dining table here. In the midst of moving everything around and getting rid of so much, I've come to realize that I'm no longer gonna have that formal sitting area. It's just useless. We never use it. I mean, we use it when we host because there's so many people in the house, and like, there's people that will sit in that area, in the living room, in the kitchen. But I would say 90% of when we're hosting, 90% of the people ends up around the island and in the dining area. So many noise, but. So I decided that we're going to turn the formal living room into the dining room, and then where the dining room was, I want to create a really nice bar. Why are they? Oh, I'm like, what do I see? It's the truck. I want to create a really nice bar because, like I said, we host a lot. It'll be a bar for like alcoholic beverages, but also like a coffee bar, a place that Dennis and I can like kind of hang out there, maybe do some work, just kind of make it like our own little cafe vibe. I'm working with an interior designer with that. She actually has a place in Santa Clarita. She's amazing. She's so sweet, and she has such a good eye for everything. So we've been going back and forth on ideas. I will tag her place down below. I got all my new furniture that you guys have seen is from her shop. So this is from her shop. Obviously this table we've had already. Our dining, or not our dining, our nightstands are from her shop. Like little decor pieces that I've been buying for the house is from her shop. Just dropped our bebés off at the groomer. They are overdue, you guys. They needed to have come before, but because we were traveling, the appointments never aligned with us or with like our schedule. Dropped off. We're gonna head over to IKEA because there's a few things that I need for one of my shelves. So we're gonna go do that, and it's about 2 hours whenever they get groomed. So we try to kind of make a morning out of it. So we're gonna go to IKEA and then probably go get some breakfast because we are a little hungry, or at least I'm a little hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm gonna do that. My hair is so long. Mission accomplished, you guys. And then we couldn't figure out how to get out of there because all we needed was just the parts to the shop, which by the way, they were free, which was nice. There was a girl that helped us. She was so sweet. But this is all we needed just to hang, which I'll show you guys once we get home, the shelves to sit on. We lost them. We moved them and then somehow lost them. So got that. Now we're gonna go eat breakfast. I've been getting updates from the groomer. I need to show you guys. The boys, it is the funniest thing. They are not having it. Benji's probably, look at they look like and then this is Odie Bearsies. She said they did really good, and she just keeps sending me photos, and I'm like the happiest mom. I'm like, please continue. I'm replying to them so that they can keep sending me photos. We're trying to figure out where to go eat because it's probably like another hour before they're ready, and we do not like for them to be waiting. We like, as soon as they're ready, we like to pick them up. Even though they have like a really cute area for them to hang out, I just know that it stresses them out. I love my jacket, you guys. This is, I bought, I know, that looks good.
Yeah, let's go here.
What is it? Spicy garlic chicken noodles. This looks good. It's a Vietnamese restaurant here in Burbank.
Okay.
We'll go try. I think we've been there once.